Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the BONK update today. So BONK has actually disappointed me a little bit, but that's okay. Now the monthly here, you can still see that BONK is being supported big time on the monthly by the 10 EMA, and it has been quite extraordinary as well. Now if I go back into smaller time frames, I'm going to remove the EMAs. Now it looks like BONK is ready to make the move to the upside. In yesterday's video, I actually gave you two different scenarios. Number one was we need to get to 3039, and then eventually we're going to actually push even a little bit higher. Now thank goodness that this left shoulder and the right shoulder here is probably being destroyed at the moment, that like the right shoulder is getting off. And the good thing is that we didn't go further down to 2476. As I told you, you had the support here, support there, support here, and then you started to push up. Now you have a little bit of this pattern going on in there, and that pattern can actually help you out. And if we take the trend line, then it actually looks like we are going to get BONK to move up to this little bit of a target, which is actually 3217 up at the moment. Okay, and if I think that's just what I'm going to say and put on today. And once you do that, this is actually going to signify that you're even more interested to go back up to 3952, because do not forget you also have the rounded bottom here, and this is a little bit of like, maybe this time what they try to do is maybe try to make the cup here and maybe the handle to go back to the upside. Yes, this is actually can turn into a handle. Chart can actually flip and twist, and actually today it happened. They actually kind of twisted it a little bit to turn it into a cup and handle. That's what I'm guessing right now. So yes, look at this rounded bottom, the cup here, the handle right there, still a bullish pattern. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.